Join me for a Newcastle and Gateshead bike tour. I'm going to show you all the sites you want to see by bike. First of all, behind us, we've got Anthony Gormley's Angel of the North. Constructed in 1998, it's really the modern symbol of Gateshead in Newcastle. It's believed to be the largest angel sculpture in the world. Right, and behind me now are some of Newcastle's iconic bridges. So there are 7 bridges across the Tyne. The first one opened in around the 1800s, and that's the double-decker railway bridge behind me. Most recent was the Millennium Bridge, and that is, I'll show you at the end, opened around 2000, 2001. So we're going to continue on here to the largest wooden structure in the whole of Europe.
Start it up.
And now behind us are the stafes. So these are meant to be the largest wooden structure, and you'll probably notice within the actual structure of it there are 2 large gaps, and these are one quite historic fire and one more recent arson fire. So they're trying to raise funds now to repair it. You might be wondering what this structure is actually built for, and the reason it's built is to actually transport coal from the coal mines, load up onto trains. The trains are then brought along this wooden structure and then loaded on there onto ships. So originally they were loaded on both sides of the stafes, but eventually it went down to just one side. So I'm now on the edge of the Ousburn, which is sort of one of the Newcastle's like trendy neighbourhoods. A lot of buildings behind me have converted warehouses or factories into breweries or pubs. Yeah, it's a really up and coming area, a lot of development happening in the city. And there's also a lot of new build flats being built around here. So I'll show you some shots of the Ousburn now. So now behind me is St James's Park, or the current rendition of this. I believe the latest stand was constructed around 1998 or around the early 2000s. They did this whole makeover of it. And there's obviously talk that's been expanded, and if it is expanded, it will go pretty much in this site right behind me. It's the roof of the actual metro station, which they'll build upon. And that concludes the cycle tour in Newcastle. So obviously I couldn't cover everything, but I tried to cover some of the main highlights of the city. So thanks for watching.